So we are officially less than a week away from the announcement of the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Next Wednesday is the time when the South Korean company will launch the whole Galaxy S23 series and the Snapdragon made for Galaxy project. But Roland Quant, a very well-known tech tipster, has revealed yet another leak that suggests that Samsung is actually hiking up the price of the Galaxy S23 series, at least outside US. Now, Quant has previously disclosed data on retail prices in the Denmark and Spain region, but now is also talking about other places. All the Galaxy S23 series, if you don't know, will cost more than last year's Galaxy S22 series by about $100 to $120 outside US. The Spanish retailer pricing look like this. The S23 base model will start at €959. The S23 Plus 8 to 56GB base model will start at €1209. And the S23 Ultra 8 to 56GB base model will start at €1409. While the exact pricing may vary across the EU due to various local VAT and other stuffs, one thing is nearly certain. The whole Galaxy S23 series will make the purchase decision a little harder for the European fans at the very least. In South Korea though, the country where Samsung is literally based on, the price hike will also continue over there. The US is the only nation where there is evidence that the prices will stay the same. Now, if you don't know, Samsung has historically tried to provide its products at a compatible price in all major markets. So this would be somewhat an odd of a move from the company's side this year. The Galaxy S23 price in the US look like this: $1199 for the S23 Ultra 256GB base model. For the S23 Plus base model, it's $999 and $799 for the S23 base model, which starts at 128GB by the way. Now that we know for sure, we can predict that the whole Galaxy S23 series will cost more in the EU and most likely in the UK. And coincidentally, because of the weak performance of the euro and the pound in late 2022, Apple has also increased the pricing in both areas with the iPhone 14 series. So that's another thing to keep in mind. Although Apple has typically set its price with the US market in mind, Samsung don't usually. But this year, they're gonna do it. But that doesn't mean everything is bad though. The pre-orders deals are actually great. Customers may pre-order the company's next generation standard model's 256GB upgraded variant for the same price as the 128GB model. And as far as the S23 Plus and the Ultra models are concerned, you will be able to buy a 512GB variant at the price of a 256GB base model. So that means you are getting double the storage at the same price. Of course, these pre-order delicious deals will not continue forever, maybe till 16th of February, when all the Galaxy S23 family pricing are anticipated to return to the normal pricing. Now, during the pre-order period though, the Galaxy S23 256GB 8GB variant will be up for £849 and £1,059 for the S23 Plus in 512GB 8GB configuration, £1,279 for the S23 Ultra with 512GB storage and 12GB of RAM. Now fans, those who also pre-order the Galaxy S23, S23 Plus or the Ultra could receive a free set of Galaxy Buds Pro 2 noise cancelling headphones on top of the free storage upgrades in certain markets. So that's actually pretty good. So now you're probably thinking, what could be the trade-in deals to expect? You will be able to get $590 for the S22 Ultra, $500 for the S22 Plus, $390 for the S22, and $440 for the S21 Ultra in the US. So will a Galaxy S23 upgrade be worth it? Well, given the powerful new 200-megapixel camera sensor, the HP2 and its crazy capabilities, and the custom overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform made for Galaxy SoC, $1,200 launch price point is really very good if you're upgrading from anything other than the S22 Ultra in the US. Now, in case you're thinking of upgrading from the basic 128GB S22 Ultra, it now comes with a 256GB out of the box, the S23 Ultra, and a free upgrade from Samsung will triple your base storage capacity for the same freaking price. That simply means you can effectively buy a fully equipped Galaxy S23 Ultra 512GB for just $330 if you deduct that $590 for the trade-in and the Buds 2 price at a value of like $230 and throw in that $50 pre-order bonus for, let's say, a case or a fast charger maybe, because you need that. The phone usually will come with nothing aside from the box and the charging cable, nothing else. So definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about all this pricing and this trade-in offers. Okay, after releasing this free 8K wallpaper pack, here is absolutely stunning 8K wallpaper pack called Lightbeam. On any monitor, computer, tablet or even smartphone, it looks awesome. Want to see right away on your devices? Visit my website, link down below. It's for everything tech, where you will find free watch faces and tons of tech news much faster than these videos. So definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.